Think tech reviewers have been doing things the wrong way because I'm sure a lot of you are tired of tech reviews or just any review that doesn't really answer your question. Let's come together to make reviews that are customized, constructive, and based on how you want to use it from the actual viewers. We can get a lot of more practical insights when we're sharing our experience. For example, how do you use your laptop? Do you have nonstop meetings and video calls you have to take? Do you have endless tabs and programs open at all given times? Or just huge spreadsheets or late night photo shoot edits? There's way more to how you use these devices than just these specs. And like, are your programs even optimized for these new devices? And also, just because something has a lot of power, do you actually need it? I really want to dive deep into what makes you tick or ticked off with your tech. So I want you to tell me what your pain points are with your current devices and where do they fall short for your use cases. If you are as specific as possible, I can address those issues in my in-depth reviews, and there's no need to share anything confidential. But if you have certain files that you use, you find there's a certain amount of programs or work or just amount of documents that you have crashes your computer, let me know. Send me examples of those so I can test them for my own. If you happen to be in a certain environment and you're looking for active noise canceling earbuds, let me know so that way I can actually go to those environments and test new earbuds based on your use cases. I just want to learn how you use your devices daily. The fun part is if you have a special use case, special location, maybe you might need ANC or so a special way you use it, or maybe you have a certain accessibility need and you have one arm, that's going to definitely affect my reviews, which I also want to add a lot of accessibility tests within my reviews as well. But I'm open to creating a personalized video tutorial or review just for you if you don't find it within the comment sections. Might take some time, but with my membership levels, I'm all for creating something that fits you perfectly and uniquely. So drop those use cases in the comment sections, or again, if you're looking for that one-on-one communication, join the membership for your tailored review. In return, you'll get more reviews tailored to your real life experiences. No more sifting through specs that don't matter to you, which is why I want to spotlight your voices directly in my content. So any standout use cases will be featured in upcoming videos. I'll share your experiences and discover how certain devices might fit those needs or fall short. So you'll directly inform and shape my reviews. For example, if you type using a tablet for late night binging, I'll find the best screen for that, testing comfort, eye strain, brightness levels for nighttime use. I'll go into detail on all those key factors. I might get new types of videos based on your stories, like the top earbuds for video calls or laptops for students or tested with heavy multitasking. I want to basically make content guided by what you care about the most rather than just what I see everyone test for, so therefore I tested for, which I totally messed up. I wanted to make reviews because I wasn't finding or hearing the things that I was interested in, and somewhere along the way I started doing the same thing that I wanted to do the opposite of. And this is really a new kind of tech community that I'm trying to build here, focused on exchanging relevant information and not just random numbers or single points of view. My point of view doesn't matter, yours does. So can't wait to read your comments below. Let's work together to make tech reviews as helpful as possible through the power of our shared experiences.